Guys, tolong jangan pergi Ding Sushi until you see this post. If you are a big fan of Japanese food tapi nak berjimat, this is for you. I jumpa the first sushi buffet in Seremban. Harga RM34.90 je.
yes,
Semua ni unlimited refill. Okay, ni premium gila. Wagyu nigiri. Super tender beef on sushi rice. It's so good guys. Salmon mentai maki ni pun I suka. I think because of ada crips atas ni, buat sushi ni lagi sedap. Hanamaki ni soft and fresh je. Tak ada rasa hanyir pun. Not gonna lie, takoyaki ni tak kosong je. Squid lembut je, easy to bite. Fried salmon skin, oh my god. Love the crispiness. To be honest, fried foods lah paling banyak I order. Korang please lah try semua ni. Hot teppanyaki jangan lupa guys, makan panas-panas. I love that the seafood tak overcooked tau. Still juicy. If dah start muak sikit, go for Sukiya hotpot. Ni pun unlimited refill. And I choose Sukiyaki soup. The taste is like je and it helps balance everything balik. And also, please don't skip cawan mushi. Rasa dia like half boiled egg tau, tapi flavorful. Sebab ada crab stick and mushroom. Before keluar, kita layan dessert dulu. Ada ice cream, ada cake. Honestly, 80 minutes here memang puas hati. Ada banyak lagi choice sushi lain yang I tak try. By the way, no worries, Ding Sushi ada halal tau. Korang save video ni, okay?